What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. I didn't get much done this weekend, but my boy Jason came through and did some stuff. So there's really no need for me to be in his way, but I figured I'd keep all you guys posted, bring you a little content, and show you what we got wrapped up. Check this freaking thing out, dude. So, more structure. All the bars are here to support all of this. Got mid plate in. He's going to do some bracing off the back of that. The down bars, and then this actually kicks up, but this is going to hold the core support. So I don't know if the old one's around here somewhere, but on the original one, if you guys remember my car, it had like a U-shaped piece. Well, that piece was higher up because of your frame rails. So this kicks up and holds all that fun stuff and gives me room for activities down here, and this will all be covered by bumper and everything else. So that'll hold. We got the turbo, water to air. I think we're going to stick with this. I brought this one over for mock-up, but it's just a lot, and then we're already plumbed up, and I'm like, man, we're just going to find its home back on there, and then we'll reimagine fittings and just try to make it as safe as possible in case we have a water leak. But that'll all package on the driver's side, I believe we're going to shoot for on this time. So turbo over here, and then on top of this, we got more going on. He tied these bars in down here. And then we got the little transmission mount. He took the other cross member that was in here out right here. So we got this dude in here, and then when it's all welded up and done, we'll come back and make this piece removable so it's easy to get everything in and out. And then that bar there is tied in. If you're wondering, this will also get tied in back to these mounts here, those boxes that I was working on. I can't work on those because you can see where I cut the old ones off, and the jack stands are here, so we can't move any of this stuff until he's close to getting squared up enough though that we'll be able to kind of move the stuff around without worrying about it. But yeah, that's essentially where we're at. So this thing, it's going to be so much stiffer, and then this tied in to the boxes here, and then all the new mounting points and stuff to the rear end. So it is getting exciting. But yeah, man, this thing is going to be rad. So I stopped by to bring him some more stuff, get a list of things I need. Got to get some more tubing, some smaller tubing to tube out, like I said, where the radiator stuff's going to live. We're going to talk to Champion. I picked a radiator out. We're going to offset that a little bit. And like I said, we're going to stuff that beach ball on this side, I believe, this time. And then I'll have to plumb it. We will do new exhaust. We're going to cut this back. I have to get the U-joints. That's one more thing before we call it good here. We have to connect the rack to there. And then I brought him gaskets. So we've got a brand new front plate, because this was the old one that he was kind of looking at for mock-up or whatever, but obviously doesn't work. So I brought gaskets for this one, so we got a brand new one. So that when he slides it up, trim it all down and make it fit here. And then just a forward and aft. So we'll have to support it probably off the block. It's going to be the easiest, and then we'll make a pivot point so the motor doesn't slide forward and backward. Oh, and the last thing too, this is a LS3 stock pan, and then this is obviously the lowest point now, right? So this is basically above that. So our new catch tray and everything will be a little wider. We're going to try to make it taller. And then I believe I'm going to run this pan because I think it holds more oil than what we had before. And then I've still got room if I want to run my accumulator or all that stuff. So yeah, it's looking bitchin'. It's funny because it kind of has an off-road look, and I was telling him, I'm like, man, see, he's an off-road guy. But I think it works well because it's going to house and hold stuff, if that makes sense. Because if we just brought it straight out and down here, you still have to elevate stuff to get the radiator up. So it makes sense from a standpoint. And then obviously we had the fenders and stuff you guys saw. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but I'll have a picture I'll put up. I mocked the fenders up, so that way this is all in line with all that fun stuff. So yeah, that's that. I'll do some quick B-roll on it, and then we will get out of here. So keep you posted. I have some stuff to bring over, and then I think we're going to make some good progress this week, and hopefully we'll get on the back portion of it so we can put a rear end back underneath it sooner than later. But yeah, this thing's looking awesome, but we need a radiator. We need a few more things. We're going to keep rolling. So next time you guys know what to do, I'm out.
Excuse me, everyone, if I could have your attention, please. We got a special surprise for you, Derek, and everybody here.
Burndown
Check.
Rolling through the streets, yeah, I'm the king of the block. Got that dragon drive style, make your whole city rock. Malibu gangster, with a touch of finesse. I'm burning rubber, raising hell, feel the heat, no stress. Turbo LS, under the hood, I'm moving quick. Nicky tires grip the road, make them stick like a trick. She, sloppy too, we got a hit in 08. In the war performance parts all over the place. The bomb squad's on the scene, YouTube's going wild. Burndown videos, yeah, this thing's on fire. E85 pumps through my veins, I'm flying high. Twin pumps in the tank so she don't run dry. Here comes the Malibu, we bringing the heat. This dragon drive lifestyle, it's hard to beat. Sloppy tune, turbo LS is bringing the fire. Here comes the boom, turn that boost up higher. Molly boom, hear the engine roar. Green flames on the blue, I'm the one they adore. From the strip to the screen, I'm the legend alive. In the world of the fast, I'm the king of the drive. Blue body with